Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here. In this video we're going to demonstrate the ARES 10024 3-in-1 small range tubing bender pliers. These tubing benders work on three different sizes of SAE and metric tubing: 1/8 inch or 3mm, 3/16 4mm, and 1/4 inch or 6mm. The pliers can bend a wide variety of materials including brass, copper, steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. And the size makes these great for use in tight and confined areas. This tubing bender is made of a heavy-duty steel material with a black powder coating finish for added durability. It has a precision machined 3-in-1 mandrel, adjustable. It is designed for single-handed use. And these pliers can create up to 180-degree bend in a wide variety of materials, including brass, copper, steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. The size makes these great for use in tight and confined spaces. This tube bender is made of a heavy-duty steel material with a black powder coat finish for added durability. It has a precision machined 3-in-1 aluminum mandrel that's adjustable, and it's designed for single-handed operation. It has a cushioned texture dip handle that lets you maintain a comfortable and firm grip during use for better control over your bends. With the versatility of this tool, you can save time from trying to find a tubing bender to fit your project. This handy tubing bender will cover a wide variety of applications from automotive to construction sites, plumbing jobs, heating, manufacturing, and more. It's perfect for brake, fuel, and refrigeration line repair. So we're going to demonstrate on how to set the size of the mandrel for tubing bends, and we'll get to it. Okay, so to adjust the mandrel, there's a locking screw that goes through here. You take a 7mm socket, wrench, whatever you happen to have, Phillips on this side, and you remove your screw. Like so, and you have a detent ball in here, and you've got the 3 holes there. The detent ball will drop into those holes when you get to the appropriate size. So we're going to do a small tubing bend just like that, and you put your locking screw back in. Okay, so once you've got the appropriate size adjusted, you can go ahead and put your tubing in there. So when you're going to bend your tubing, especially if it's flared on one end or whatever, you want to make sure that your fitting is on the other side of your bend. Otherwise it makes it real hard to get it over there and you just start over. So then you can take it like so, go ahead and bend it to the size you want, or I should say the angle, just like that. And it's super simple, quick and easy. There you go. So this is a perfect example where the size of these pliers really shine. You like putting in a water line for a refrigerator or other appliance type stuff. That's our 10024 3-in-1 small range tubing bending pliers. They make line fabrication a breeze. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.